Hey there, Guild Hunters! In this video, I'm going to show you how to reuse unsaved loadouts in Mistfall Hunter. There will be times when you're experimenting with different builds during exploration, but unfortunately fail to extract and realize that you forgot to save your loadout beforehand. Luckily, Mistfall Hunter has a feature that allows you to easily reuse that unsaved loadout. What you'll want to do is open your player menu and head over to Prepare. Alternatively, you can press E on your keyboard to head straight to this section. Once you're here, select the Most Recent Match option, which will load the previous loadout you were using before going into that match. As you can see, all I currently have equipped is a basic loadout since I died during my previous exploration. But once I select Most Recent Match, it will automatically load up the gear and build that I previously used. This is especially useful when you're testing different builds, since you won't have to remember and manually equip everything again after a failed extraction. And that's how to reuse unsaved loadouts in Mistfall Hunter. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.